Hi guys, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Tonight's video, I'm actually pretty honored. I was um, contacted by a viewer on a question, and he had a question about the throttle linkage on his Coleman. In his letter, he said that he's not allowed to use power tools, so he couldn't cut the screw, and he asked if I had any other ideas. So, hold on real quick. Let's make this a little bit easier. Okay, that's easier. So, he wanted to know about if I had any ideas or things. He did have a couple of other questions for me. What kind of spark plugs do I like to use, and what chain lubrication do I like to use? Well, buddy, I like to use the NGK, the R ones. They're, I think these are the best ones. That's the number right there. So get them off Amazon. Those are spark plugs. And then this is what I use to put on the chains. I like it a lot. Makes the chain real tacky and everything like that, and doesn't come off. Tonight's job is real simple. I did think about it, and this is a conclusion I came up with. So let's walk through it. Oh, real quick though, you're gonna need needle nose pliers. Hopefully yours are better than mine. You might need a pipe wrench, adjustable. Number 10 socket in your favorite wrench. So, okay, let's get to this. All right. So this is the conclusion I came up with. If we can't cut this, what is there next to do? There's this tab back here. I've already went through and bent this down, but all you got to do is bend this down. And you go from that's how it was stock, about that far, to that. So this is one of those part of those free mods, should be one of the very first things that you should do with your Coleman mini bike, is get rid, either cut this off, because Coleman welds this because they don't want you to take it off because it voids the warranty and stuff like that. But so yeah, you got options. Grind this off, cut this off, or do what I did and just bend that. It's real simple, very easy. All you gotta do, put your socket on there. Oh, help you go the right way. Ooh, that's still on there good. Okay. Take that off. This piece comes off first, and all you got to do, pull that straight up and out. It's got that little tab part that connects onto there. Take that off. Take this plastic little washer off. There isn't an up or a down, so it's okay. And then all you do, pull that straight up, just like so. Your tab will be sticking up. Get yourself some better needle nose pliers than I have. And all you do, grab a hold of them, grab a hold of it, just like so, and bend it down. Pretty simple. And then to put it back together, very easy. Drop that down in there so it's sitting nice and flush. Washer, tab, and you just gotta make sure the tab's touching. like so. Okay, just like that. Put your nut back on. Now, you don't want to over tighten this, because if you over tighten it, I'll show you what happens. Okay, so we say that's tight, right? Oh, look, oh, doesn't spring back like it's supposed to. So you just back this off a little bit. A little bit more. There it is. Perfect. Robert, I hope this helped you out, bud. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, you guys, this video. Real quick and easy. Cheapest mod that you can do to these little engines. Get rid of that tab or bend it down like I just did, or, you know, however you want to get rid of it. So, alrighty, guys. Have a good night.